Cute vibes. I love it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Life of Owls here. Hello, if you are new here, hi, my name is Alison, aka Life of Owls, or is it, no, really it should be Life of Owls, aka Alison. Alison is my actual name. I create cool, fun content, bit of beauty, bit of lifestyle, you know, hair a lot of the time, because I'm always changing my hair. Fashion, sometimes. I'm not a fashionista babe, but it's a fashion video today, funnily enough. And if you return it, yeah. If you're returning, what's bracking? So today, I am doing a try-on haul. I have not done a try-on haul in a long time. I'm kind of been a bit and about doing try-on hauls because I'm trying to change my own buying habits when it comes to fashion and stuff, which means I feel like on my channel that I should reflect that by not doing hauls all the time. But I have decided oh, listen man, if you're new here, I stutter a lot, I kind of trip over my words a lot, I talk really fast, so like, yeah. But because this is a black owned business, I obviously will do a haul. So if it's like a black owned business, I can put everything to the side and do my thing. So yeah, it's a black owned business try and haul today, featuring a brand called Illicit. I've got some cute pieces. I've worn one of their pieces in a get ready with me video, which I'll link down below. But it's going to be a nice little try and haul, some cute pieces for like your holidays, if you're flying out during this pandemic, birthday. It's a good like birthday dinner dress kind of try and haul. So yeah, so I'm going to call this birthday dinner / holiday try and haul. Yeah, before I get into the haul, let's talk about my hair, because this video is sponsored by the wonderful, lovely Nadula hair. I've worked with Nadula hair before. One of my favorite hair vendors. I worked with them before. I did like a really nice long jet black silky straight unit with them. This was my first time, I think, doing like a proper straight frontal was with them. So this time they've sent me this gorgeous, as you can see, it's a straight wig, but it's kinky straight. It's my first time trying like a kinky straight texture. Yeah, this is a kinky straight wig, and I've done it in a side parting. I never do my installs in a side parting. Last time I did a side parting, I think I got my friend Patience to do it for me. This is my first time doing a side parting on myself, so let me know how I did, guys, outside my comfort zone. But you know, 2020, we try new things. But yeah, this is kinky straight. It's 24 inches. I've done it in a side parting. Let me show you guys where it comes up to on me. So it comes up to, ooh, here on me. So I just past my hip, like going to my bum. But yeah, I put like this hair up on my Instagram stories and my Snapchat stories, and everyone's like, where's this hair from? Where's this hair from? Oh my god, from Nadula hair. It's kinky straight hair. So obviously this is giving me real like silk press vibes. Like it doesn't come as I straightened it. I should put like a clip of what it looks like before straightening, but I've literally pressed this out and it's giving real like silk press type of vibe. If I've got a clip here of what it looks like, I'll insert it, but this is real like silk pressiana type of vibe. It literally looks like long relaxed hair, I guess, so it kind of vibes it's giving. So it's a really different kind of look. I feel like if I put one curls in this, would give you that nice scissor kind of big hair look. So I really like this hair. If I haven't noticed any like noticeable shedding and stuff, like, as I'm walking around looking on the floor, I'm not really seeing any hair like that. Nope. And like the nape area, funnily enough, I'm not getting that much tangling there either. Like it's kind of like, I'm touching, it's like, this is quite smooth back here, so I'm not getting a lot of tangling or shedding, which is really cool. The only thing I will say about this hair again is if you want this straightened out look, you will spend longer straightening this hair than you would straightening like a normal straight wig. But yeah, I've chosen this hair for this haul because I feel like it's a cool hairstyle, nice, sleek, elegant hairstyle that will go with most of the pieces. This is nice hair for like your birthday as well, because it's a nice, sleek, long side part. So yeah, I think. Another thing I forgot to mention is this hair is in its natural colour, so I haven't dyed or anything. This is just normal 1B hair, I have not dyed it. So yeah, this is the hair in its natural state. So let's get on with the video, shall we? I'll put all the links in the description box for this hair. Shout out to Nadula hair, thank you so much for sponsoring this video, and let's get on with it, shall we? Okay, so I have received a lovely care package from a brand called Illicit. They sent me a nice little care package that I have right here. The brand is black owned, as I previously mentioned. You know, very important to you know, I rep my people. You know, on this channel, one thing I've always done from the beginning of time, before it was cool, you can vouch, I've always supported black businesses, plugged black businesses on my channel where I can. So this is not a trend for me. This is something I've been doing. Okay, I've always cared, to put it that way. This is a black owned brand. The brand is basically, their branding is all around, like based around Yoruba spirituality, so all the dress names are Yoruba names. So let me just tell you this, guys, I'm not Yoruba. In fact, I'm not Nigerian, but more specifically, I'm not Yoruba. So if I butcher these names, you just have to forgive me. Like, there's no choice but to forgive me, because I'm gonna try, okay? Okay, I'm gonna really try my hardest though. I'm gonna try, okay? Let's bring out the pieces and try them on, shall we? Okay. First piece I have on here is Aina. I think it's Aina. It's this lovely multicolored cutout piece. This piece is a risque piece. I'm gonna try it on so you guys can see. It's a very risque piece. Nice stretchy material, so it hugs your body, right? But it's very risque. This is like, I don't think I'd wear this in this UK. I mean, you could, but you know, I feel like the UK don't deserve the content that you could create in this dress. I think this is a very holiday birthday dress. Yeah, holiday birthday dress. That kind of vibes, yeah. I'm gonna try that on. Picture in this dress already. As you can see, this dress is very risque. It's like a birthday dress, but like when you're on holiday, because I feel like England don't deserve this type of content. I'd advise if you're wearing this, obviously I'm just wearing my normal black panties, but I'd suggest you wear like a pink or red kind of thong thing for this bit. But yeah, very risque, very, very, very open kind of dress. Back. Yeah. This piece is called Tumininu. Oh god, man. Looks really cute. I'm trying to think what I'm gonna wear underneath this though. I can't even lie. It's this black and white piece with like the cute faces on them. Look at that. You know, the foundation on there. But yeah, this is it here. Cute stuff, right? Try that on. Okay, so this is the dress. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna move my camera to the side a little bit so you guys can see better. This is super cute. Let me move back so you guys can see. Nah, this is cute. I really like this dress. I feel like it's really figure hugging, like hugs me in the right places, you know, cinches me in here. I really like this. It'd be like a bold birthday dress, like a dinner dress. Look at that. And you know me, I always like to do the turn back. Hugs me properly here. I'd say if you're gonna wear this, obviously it's a see-through piece, I'm wearing literally black underwear underneath, so just like a black bra, black seamless panties. That's my advice. Obviously you don't want to go commando in this, because then your bits will be out. I mean, if you want your bits to be out, be my guest. I don't want my bits to be out though, not for free. But yeah, this is it from the back. Oh gosh, yeah, and with this hair as well. Okay, I'm enjoying this. All right, Alison, you go this thing. The hair flick. Yeah, this is real cute. This is cute. It doesn't, like, it does ride up a little bit, but not like mad. Like the most it rides up to is about here, because the dress is quite like a stretchy material, but nothing that's like, it doesn't cling. So when it rides up to like a appropriate level. You can just, you know, cutely do this. But yeah. Ooh, ow. Yeah. This dress is called Alani. Alani. It is a multicolored one shoulder dress. This is right up my street, as you can see. Look at that. Ooh, cracky. It looks really cute. It's really stretchy, which I like. I like this stretchy stuff because I like figure hugging stuff. I'm a slim babe, so we've got to hug everything, so you know. Oh, I'm an unserious babe, man. Jesus. Oh, I'm excited to show you guys this one. This is Alani. Oh, guys. Let me see if the camera isn't focused. It is. This dress is every bit of me. The color. No, guys. Guys, I love this dress. It's my favourite one. I think it's my favourite one. I think this is my favourite one. Look at the way it just hugs. It hugs. It hugs. It hugs. I can't wait to have an occasion to wear this. I can't wait to have an occasion to actually wear this dress. Nah. Nah. I have no words because I love this dress. Like, there's no other words. I don't even know what else to say. You know me, I'm not good with these things. I'm not with the faff and the strip. Love this dress. The one shoulder detail, then you just tie it here, which is really cute. It's a look, it's a vibe, it's a mood, it's an everything. Okay, so this is a view from the side. Let me show you this side as well, because it's where the tie is. And then I'll show you guys the back. So that's the back for you guys to see. Nah, guys. We love to see it. We love to see it. Just so you guys can really take it in. Fantastic scenes, mate. Next on the itinerary, we have this blue number. I was a bit hesitant about this, but the owner really thought I should give it a try, so we're gonna try it. This is called Fadikemi. Fadikemi. Guys, I'm trying Fadikemi. It is in this blue number. It's a one shoulder unit also. So we're gonna try this out. I'm not a fan of, like, I'm a fan of blue, but this was, I looked at it and I was like, I don't know if this is a bit of me, but we're gonna try it. We're gonna see. So I'm gonna try this on and see what you guys think. I've also got this in a size small. I've got everything in a size small, I should mention, but this is a size small, So I'm a size 8. If anyone's wondering, I'm size 8. Small, that's my size, like my actual size. The reason I say that is because obviously I know sometimes people can be smaller, bigger, and go into sizing depending on how they want things to fit them. I'm just a size 8, and size 6 is too small for me. Anything bigger just looks stupid, so I'm actually a true to size 8. If that helps. Okay, so this is Fadikemi. Let me show you guys. See, my thing with this dress is it's cute. Like, it's a cute, artsy, alternative kind of piece. But I think it's my least favourite out of all of the ones I've tried. Simply because it's just not my style. It's not my style of dress. I think it's a very artsy, kind of like, very, I want to say high fashion-y type of dress. The back is gorgeous. Let me show you guys the back actually. Let me show you guys the back. The back of this is cute. Like, the back, super cute, super cute. Like, I love the back. I just think I think because I've got broad shoulders, it makes me look a bit awkward. Yeah. Other than that, the fit of this dress really nice, and the colour is gorgeous. It looks gorgeous on my skin. But it is my least favourite. But it was worth a try. I'm not saying it's not a nice dress, just on me. I feel like this would suit. Also, I feel like if I was thicker, like maybe I had hips and shit, this dress would be top notch. But yeah, it's Fadikemi. What it looks like on me again. From the side and then the back. You guys can see. Back. Yeah, that's it there. Okay, then we've got this lovely number. This colour is a bit of me. This is, I haven't got the name for this one. I'm gonna put the name on the screen. But this is like this is like giving me real date night type of vibes. This looks so cute. But yeah, this here, in this orange strappy number. So I'm gonna try this on. This is also a size small. So I'm gonna try this on and let you guys see the thoughts. I just love the stretch. I love stretchy material. It gives me hope. Gives me hope. Okay, so this is the dress. Oh my gosh. Guys, I don't know what to say. Like, what? Who am I? Like, who am I? Who is she? This is giving me very much I Am King. What's Beyonce's album? Do you know what? Let me just not embarrass myself. This is really cute. I really like this dress. Again, another figure hugging piece. It hugs you in. I like this because it's quite, not loose, but like the collar is loose, which means it's actually easy to take on and off. You know, sometimes when the collar's bare tight, you're worried about getting makeup as you take it on and off. This is like loose around this. It's easy to put on, easy to take off. Nice stretch. It's not tight. It's got like that kind of material where it's like, it's tight in terms of it hugs you in the right places, but it's not uncomfortably tight, which I like. So yeah, that's it there. That's it from the side, as you can see, and then from the back, voila. You know, that's a little, yeah, this is real cute. This is like, and again, dinner, a nice fancy dinner, birthday dinner kind of vibes. Yeah, no, defo birthday dinner kind of vibes. I like this. All the content, the content, the content. Oh, the fucking content. Last but not least, we have this piece here, which is called Aduke. Aduke? I hope I'm saying this right. You guys now got good intentions, please. But yeah, this is I love a one shoulder, honestly. This looks like it's a proper bit of me. Ooh, yeah. It's nice, like almost animal print, but not really. It's a cute print. Cute. Also in a size small. So yeah, I'm gonna try that on and we'll see the thoughts on that also. And this is Aduke. Ooh, guys. My sandals on, hang on. This is a dress. Look at that. Yep. This is every bit of me. The only thing with this dress is it rides up a lot, so it's a very short dress. You've got to be very careful with this one, but this is this would be a cute. I wish my birthday was coming up, but I had a birthday during lockdown, so what am I even talking about that? We were in the peak of lockdown during my birthday, but this is so cute. Okay, let me do my little side view from the side. It's a bit like raised at the sides here, so like you've got to be like, as I'm stepping up like this, you can see like whoop, you've got a lot of skin here, so you want to be careful. But yeah, no, it's a cute piece. The back, the side. This is that ladies leave your man at home type of dress, like leave that at home. I'm gonna step out like this. But yeah, real cute vibes. I love it. Hi guys, this is future me, future Alison, way in the future because I filmed this haul a while ago, but I was on a YouTube break and then but this is future me filming from back then. I forgot to film an outro, so here's the outro. Thank you for watching my haul. Black owned try on hauls are like my favourite type of try on haul. I love supporting black businesses. I love trying on clothes from black businesses, so you know, it's a win-win for me, and I like clothes. I like sex clothes, you know. So I'm gonna put all the links in the description box, put all the links to all the dresses, the names, etc, etc. Thank you so much to Illicit for sending me your lovely clothes. Make sure you guys check them out. And this is like a very short outro. And if you're wondering about this makeup look and the braids that I'm wearing now, in another video, I don't know if it'll be before or after this, it should be after this, I would have recreated this whole thing. So yeah. This is future Alison signing out on behalf of past Alison that filmed this video in the past.